Thinking of switching from Assurance Wireless to SafeLink and keeping your number? Here's the deal. Both are lifeline providers offering free or low-cost phone service. SafeLink runs on Verizon's network, often providing faster 5G speeds, while Assurance Wireless uses T-Mobile. Recent FCC updates have streamlined the switch. To start, you'll need your Assurance Wireless account number, PIN, and device IMEI. SafeLink now supports online port-in requests via their website or app. Eligibility requires proof of participation in programs like SNAP or Medicaid. Most importantly, number porting, or port-in, is the legal process that lets you keep your number when switching carriers. Ensure there are no outstanding balances with Assurance Wireless, or the port will be denied. The entire process should take 1 to 3 business days. First, gather your Assurance Wireless account information, your account number, PIN, and device IMEI. Next, contact SafeLink through their app, website, or by calling 1-800-723-3546. Provide your Lifeline eligibility proof, like a SNAP card. Once approved, activation typically takes 24 to 48 hours. The FCC requires port-ins to be completed within 1 to 3 business days, but incorrect details can cause delays. SafeLink often has faster speeds in 5G areas. Keep in mind, your phone must be unlocked and compatible with Verizon's network. Watch out for potential backlogs due to high demand. If there are any issues, SafeLink customer support can resolve most issues with Verizon's network settings.